All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen technical analysis, what's been going on since yesterday that I've been minting, and what you need to do if you are stuck on any network that does not let you mint anymore. That last one is going to be towards the end of the video, okay? I've been getting multiple comments about people having issues not being able to mint. So stay tuned, watch the full video, and at the end, if you enjoyed, make sure you click that like button. We are so close to 8,000 subscribers. Thank you all so very much. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. So I just freaking love you. All right. I cannot I cannot even like understand how much we are growing right now. Like the Zen community is just freaking amazing. But Zen ERC20 token, the chart that you see right now on the screen, it is hovering onto that channel, the two blue lines right there. We pulled back perfectly. Like this is the best pullback I can tell you. All right. It is a very, very healthy pullback. We just need to hold the 5-1, give or take 5-1 to 5-3 area for us to continue pushing upward and retest the resistance, which we were right around over here. What I think, what I like, what I'm seeing is one, the resistance line is right, the support line is right here, excuse me. The support line is right here, and we have, give or take, maybe like a 3-4% gap right here between the red dotted line, which is the current price, and the support line, which is my blue line right here. This is where it's going to test, and if it holds, it's going to bounce back up. What I think is going to happen is, of course, one of two scenarios is the RSI. I'm going to go ahead and delete this right here. This was my prediction, which, look at this. Hey, I think it's pretty spot on. I know it's a little bit of a squiggly line, but it gave you the idea of what I wanted to see, and it pretty much played off pretty freaking good. It was way up here, and I was like, we need to drop down a little bit and just consolidate a little bit on the RSI. That's pretty much what happened. So now I'm going to go ahead and delete it, as you know, on the video live, so you guys can see that I'm doing it and that I'm not, you know, BSing or anything. But the cross on the 1334 is still bearish. What I love about this is that now the 1334 are pretty much separating away from each other, but it's now doing the opposite. It is now separating from each other on a bullish scale. What was going on before over here, way previously, like this is a perfect example right here. You guys would see the 1334 moving averages right here. They were separating more. That gap was really wide. So the price continued to go down. And look at this. It kept touching onto the RSI over and over and over again. The whole charting and just the Zen ecosystem and the price switched. So now we're doing the opposite, literally. So now since that 1334 crossed bullish, now the gaps are getting wider. And what I'm liking is that now as well, not only is the Zen price touching the support level right here, but if we zoom in even more, you can see that it looks like it wants to touch the 1334 moving averages and do the same exact pattern, but the opposite. It was touching bearish back then, right? Back a few weeks, a few months ago, it was touching and it could not break out. It could not go push any forward. Now it's going to do this, but on the bullish side, which now is going to touch this and it bounce up. Then the 1334 is going to move a little bit further out, and then the candlesticks might push up and come back down and touch on the 1334 again and go up even further. That is one of those scenarios that it looks like it's a very strong, likely possibility that Zen is going to start doing that. I do like that the RSI is down into the 50 zone. Very, very healthy. It means we will have enough strength, enough buy pressure, enough Zen community type of hype and hope and diamond hands, all of that combined to push Zen even higher. We needed a breather. We really did, okay? We were into that overbought territory way over here. And I said we were going to come down. We needed a breather. We needed to relax and get the charting, the TA to the right circumstances in which we can push even further. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So healthy on the RSI, bullish on the cross, super bullish on the candlesticks, which are hovering above. Very strong support for a bounce on the 1334. Very strong support for a bounce on the support levels right here. So two types of supports is the 1334 and the support level that I have the blue line right here. Looking very good for potentially, not financial advice. Keep in mind, this is just my own perspective and my own train of thought, okay? But looks like it's a very healthy area for you or anybody or me or right, even Maya, to get a little position into that specific target of around, I want to say the lowest 4.9. 4.9 to 5.1. 5.2 would probably be like a small little maybe 10% buy here, 20% there, you know, maybe $20 here, $50 here and there, right? But I'm going to start going in buying heavily around 4.9 to 5.1. So that support level should bounce and it should hold on to really, really well. And I do see this holding really strong unless there is some really bad and negative news or something major happens, a hack, a project exits like garbage, you know, dump or I don't know, something, a bug happens, you know, something really big that will cause this chart to just switch, right? But as of right now, today, Friday, which by the way, I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday. It is going to be an amazing weekend because gas fees are also going to be cheap. Continue minting. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about, man. I love seeing this right here. A lot of people are saying, "Oh, always down coin is going to continue going down from here on out." I see something else. I see some really good long-term positioning and gains because of this move. Oh, excuse me. But thanks to this cross right here, and thanks to Zen doing this specific upward move and that pump a little bit, that pretty much triggered different scenario for Zen in the mid to long term positions and gains. Diamond hands, everybody's not going to want to sell this anymore because now apparently a lot of people are starting to see and understand what Zen can do whenever crypto goes up and ETH goes up and gas goes up. So about time. I've been trying to say that for the past year. All right. So onward to the strategy. I'm still kicking it really hard onto the Pulse chain. Oops, this is not Pulse chain. This is Polygon. I've been doing really strong and just nonstop minting on Pulse chain, man. I had 33 million Zen on Pulse chain, and I think I'm down to like 17 million, somewhere around there. But this wallet, I just got done minting on this wallet. I have 110. My goodness, that's crazy. I think I can just, yeah, this was the one that I have 6%. I've been doing so much minting, man. It is crazy. I've been doing anywhere from 13 to 18K per Centurion, give or take. As of right now, I have minted about 631 Zen NFTs. I started from max terms, worked my way down. I've done anywhere from like 3 Zenturions to 5 Zenturions per day, working my way down. I'm currently on day, I think like 400, low 400s is where I'm at right now. So it's doing really good. You know, some wallets have like 10 of Zenturions in one single day. It just depends. I'm just scattering my things around, man. So it's still looking really, really good. I'm hyped. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Man, this is great for Pulse Chain, man. It has not done the crazy big move like the other Zens have done in the past. This one's due, and it's starting to actually start having like a big, massive move. And then if you put together the bull run that's coming, the near term, midterm, short term, it's looking like a perfect storm in my book. So I want to make sure I'm ready. I already had, I think like 300, 400 Zen NFTs on Pulse Chain, but now I'm getting even more. I'm putting in a good amount. I made some good profit over the stock market. I'm rolling it over to here. It's pretty much free money, making me more free money. That's how it's supposed to be, guys. All right, so last thing I want, let me actually mention that if you are looking for a place to buy Pulse Chain, some PLS, and you don't have to deal with the gas fee of Ethereum, you don't want to deal with the bridging, do Conga Exchange. It's a really badass little exchange, man. It has some power and some potential out there for small comers, all right? The newcomers out there for the Zen overall PLS ecosystem and token. So you just send over your ETH, BTC, BNB, whatever you want to. You can sell it to USDT and convert it over to PLS. They do have PLS and PLSX, whichever one you want to buy. And you just literally withdraw it straight to your wallet and start minting right away. Super easy, cheap, and just a fun way to do it as well. So check out Conga. The link will be down below in the description. It helps out the channel as well. And it's just overall the best one out there and the safest one out there. Just keep in mind, they don't even ask for your KYC or anything. None of that stuff. No personal information. Is just pretty much make an account and you're good to go. That's what I like about them as well. So last thing I want to point out on this video is that a lot of people have commented on the previous few YouTube videos that y'all are having a lot of issues with Evmos, Phantom, like I was too, okay? Evmos, Phantom, and I think even Base Network. Some of you guys were having issues minting, claiming, even connecting the wallet to either one of those specific networks, right? Well, what you need to do is go into your MetaMask and just delete your whatever network you're having issues with. If it's Base Network, take it away from MetaMask. Completely delete just the network, not MetaMask. Just the network base. Just delete it from there and connect it using the chainlist.org. I will leave this website down below in the description. It's the official one. Even Jack put it out there on his Twitter. Don't get any other scammy website out there, fishy, and don't get hacked. Okay. What I usually do is I use one of my burner wallets, a dummy wallet, and I connect it to this website in order for it to just give me what I need. So if you delete, let's say for instance, Evmos, you can easily search up Evmos and it will bring you their network. It'll show you like a whole list of available ones. I usually stick with one that has the 2 check marks, which means it has a high score and the privacy on it is good. You just click on add to MetaMask and using your dummy wallet, you just connect it. And then your network will then be just connected to all your wallets and you're good to go. Usually that solves the issue about 85% of the time, okay? If it's not that, then most likely you have some transactions that are stuck, which you need to take care of. And if that doesn't work, then it could be multiple other things, all right? But I'm pretty sure I made a YouTube video about, stuff like that will help you fix it. But yeah, man, that's how you pretty much will take care of issues with it not connecting, not being able to mint, so on and so forth. Just disconnect it, delete it, and just use chainlist.org and use any of these. I like I said, just connect to one that has the double green check mark. They're probably the safest ones and the best ones to use. I wouldn't recommend one that has a caution or an X on it, of course, right? Common sense. But there you go. I hope this video did well. If it did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Guys, thank you so much. I'll be seeing you tomorrow, Saturday. Have a blessed and safe weekend. I love you all. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.